So welcome to ABS, Africa Business School. My name is Benoît Aubert. I'm the head of academic affairs. So what makes the difference at ABS? You should have in mind a few things. First, we are mainly an executive education business schools. And then we work with all executives on several dimensions, working on knowledge, of course, what we call cognition, working on behaviors in order to be a real actor of any transformation in your company. And we also work on emotions, as emotions are, I would say, a very important facet of any manager's, I would say, mindset.
So the ambitions of the program are first to serve the graduates, and through this program make them better managers, more responsible leaders in their current job, and obviously to help them grow in their career. Then I would say that the second ambition of the program is, of course, to have an impact on the region, an impact on organizations through the companies, and obviously an impact on the society in general. And then for the program itself, we aim to be recognized as the best and most innovative MBA online on the African continent. After graduation, the graduates of an MBA are equipped to take on higher or wider leadership positions in organizations in different activities. It can be related to a specific area or the general management of an organization. And they are also equipped, if they want to do so, to become entrepreneurs. So that's another possibility for some of our graduates. There are many very interesting features. We are very innovative for this program. One of them, of course, is that the students are working on real issues related to the current environment. For example, they start with a module on growth mindset, and then they work on sustainable value. They work on managing with and within complexity. So all very important topics nowadays. And then, of course, the students can design their own learning journey through the electives. It is a program, obviously, being online, which is very flexible, as it is mostly asynchronous. So it caters for working professionals who have a very busy or unpredictable schedule. Of course, it's built on the expertise of the ABS international faculty. It's an opportunity also to meet and network with a community of executives and entrepreneurs from Morocco, but also from the rest of Africa. There is a very important module, which is an action learning module, which is very unique to this program. So I think that's the main features of the program that makes it very innovative in Africa. The graduate attributes of this program are related to the general graduate attributes of any graduate of Africa Business School. Basically, they need to be able to understand the fundamental concepts in their area of studies, but then they need also to be able to implement innovative, socially and ethically responsible recommendations that would add value to the organization and to the society. They should be able to function and communicate effectively as leaders, but also collectively as team players. So they need to be able to demonstrate a certain level of leadership for themselves and for others. They need to be techno-fluent and be able to embrace complexity and uncertainty. So we do that through the programs, but there is also a very important feature of the MBA Online is that throughout the 18 to 20 months journey, they are followed by a professional certified coach, and it's a totally confidential relation, but the role of the coach is to guide them through their studies and to guide them through their professional advancement. And again, having a professional coach for the duration of your MBA, it's a unique feature of this program.